Hello everyone, and welcome to day 4 of the 21-day Mindfulness Challenge. Let's start with some nice deep breaths into the belly. Inhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And exhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And allow your breath to stay nice and deep, naturally deep, breathing in more oxygen with each breath. And realize that as you take each breath, your body relaxes a little bit more. The tension drips away with each breath as you bring your mind into focus on your breathing. Essentially, you're taking your mind away from all the other thoughts for that time. You're allowing your mind to focus on something so simple, so vital, and also so calming. So let's continue to breathe nice breaths into the belly as we allow the body to release any and all tension it's holding. So as you take in this next breath, on the exhale, allow your entire body to just relax into the chair or into the place where you're sitting. And then starting with your feet on the next exhale, allow your feet to relax and release any tension. And then on your next exhale, allow your ankles to relax. On the next exhale, allow your calves and your shins to relax. And as you breathe in, you can breathe into each place as well. Like you can breathe in peace, or you can breathe in strength to each area. So let's breathe in peace to our knees. And exhale, releasing all tension in that area. And then you can breathe in something else into your thighs, the front and the back. And as you exhale, release any tension holding in that area. And now breathe in to your hips, to your glutes, to your pelvic floor, your pelvic bowl, and then release any tension there. And breathing in that quality into your low back. Maybe you breathe in relaxation or calm. And as you exhale, allow your low back to release fully any tension, any tightness. And now breathing in to your lower abdomen and exhaling any tension. Breathing in to your mid-back and to your mid-abdomen. And exhale, let go of all the tension there. Now taking a nice breath into your chest, your diaphragm, into your lungs, into your heart, and as you exhale, allow that area to release and let go. And now breathing into your upper back, into all the bones and muscles there. And as you release the breath, release the muscles. And now breathing in lightness into your shoulders, allowing the right shoulder to relax. On the next breath, the left shoulder to relax. And on the next breath, both, reminding yourself that you don't have to carry the world on your shoulders. Reminding yourself that the world is carrying you. And now the next breath, as you breathe in, bringing that breath into your right arm and allowing that right arm to release, relax, and let go. And now similarly, bringing in breath into your left arm and allow the left arm to relax. And breathing in this breath of relaxation into your hands and then allowing them to relax. They work all day, those hands. So just allow them to be still. And now take a nice deep breath in to your neck, the front of your neck, the sides, the back of your neck. Another part of the body that works very hard, and just allow it to release and relax. And actually all these areas of the body work constantly for us, so we're just giving them a break. And now breathing in relaxation to your scalp, to your cranium, to your brain. And as you exhale, allow it to let go of any tension. Now breathing in to your face and all your sense organs, your eyes, your ears, your mouth, your cheeks, your nose, and allowing your face to just let go. Just be still. And now that you have allowed each area consciously to release tension, take a final scan of your body and see if there's anywhere that's still holding a little bit of tension. Take your awareness to that place. And just be present with that part of the body. Feel whatever you're feeling. Remind that part of your body that you are there for it, you are aware that it has some tension. And ask that part of the body if it needs something from you in this moment. And allow it to have that. And now see how it feels after you've given it that attention and what it needs. Today we're going to focus our mind on this centering thought or mantra that I am peaceful. Feel this reality that when there is no external stimuli, or external force of stress, that you are in peace. So we focus on this natural state that I am peaceful. And as you sit with this, take it in as you breathe in and feel it in your whole being. This truth that you are peace, you are peaceful. Breathing this in, I am peaceful. Continue to breathe this in, this peace into your body and mind. And now, as you prepare to go about the rest of your day, as you start to come back to the room, noticing what's around you, keep this thought, this mantra fresh in the mind. Keep this feeling of peace fresh with you. You are a peaceful being. And that no matter what situations are outside of you, you can tap into this peace at any moment by returning to your breath, by remembering this thought, by consciously being mindful of this truth that you are a peaceful person, a peaceful being. Thank you.